Hi all, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make this cool bubble painting. It's super fun and easy, so let's get started. For materials, you're going to need a canvas, paper or cardboard to paint on, a small round paintbrush, acrylic paint, water, and a rag or paper towel. To begin, I'm going to paint my whole canvas black using acrylic paint. Once I'm done, I'm going to wash my brush off and let my painting dry completely. While the paint was drying, I looked around for objects that had a circular shape to it. I found this plastic cup, this cardboard tube, this plastic lid, and I'll be using a small plastic lid from a marker. And I've also put some white paint onto a palette. Next, I'm going to dip the rim of the cup into the white paint and stamp it onto my canvas. This will be the circles for our bubbles. I'm going to continue the same with the plastic lid. Here I'm dabbing the extra paint off on a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to stamp the lid onto the canvas. I'm going to continue stamping circles with the objects until I'm happy with how it looks. Once the circles are dry, with a small round brush, I'm going to be mixing different colors with a bit of white to add color to the bubbles. To paint the bubbles, I'm using small dashes and strokes. Next, with the white paint, to add highlights, I'm making small little dashes and dots. Once the paint is dry, the painting is finished. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please remember to like and subscribe for more future art videos. Check out the link in the description box below for the link to the written instructions on our website. You can check out our website for other tutorials, free printable coloring pages, and other resources for art. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.